yung 2 hours cross-country adventure. Tuburan 360. Oh my God! Ito yung restaurant nila. Tuburan Ukoy.
Ukoy Tuburan.
We're here at Sky Jar. You can also buy some cakes here. Hand-picked and roasted with love. Yung mga menu nila. Ayan o. Diba? Ayan o. So nice.
Ay, salamat ako. Praise the Lord.
Uy, praise the Lord. Hey besties, ayan, nandito na kami sa Tuburan 360 Cafe. Ayan guys, oh. Pwede din pala kayong mag-ano dito. ATV? Ano yung pangalan na ATV? Luchuyoy. Oh, Lugabiha. Chuyo guys. Oh, amazing. How much? 2 hours cross-country adventure. At 2,500 per ATV, di. Ayan siya. And our view. Tuburan 360. And yung bukid. Yun guys, tingnan nyo. Oh my God! Grabe. Grabe yung struggle namin. Not naman struggle, pero yung pagka-adventure talaga going here guys. Grabe, ang taas. Taas. Pero parang worth it naman yung view. 1,000cc daw ni guys. Wow. Lagoon, rock formations, river crossing, one more quick uphill and downhill trail. Look guys, meron din pa silang convenience store here. Ayan, 360, Tuburan 360 convenience store. Ayan, so meron sa restaurant and then yung parang cafe. So guys, meron din pala silang rooms dito guys. Barkada room daw, good for 10 person. Tapos yung per person nila is 1,250 with breakfast already daw. Diba? You can also check it here guys. So right now sa ano lang kami, restaurant. Ayan o. Tuburan 360. Wow. Amazing. I believe hindi pa to tapos guys. Meron daw lang phase 2 dito na soon i-open. Ayan o. Ito yung restaurant nila. Ayan o. And the view. I love the view. And the view. Wow. Grabe. Dito na tayo sa restaurant nila. Dito kami sa restaurant nila. Tuburan 360. So, ito yung mga menu. Tuburan Ukoy.
Ukoy sa Tuburan.
Good for 4 to 6 persons. So, 246.
Saan content sa Ukoy?
So, yung Ukoy nila is my shredded sweet potato, small shrimps, bean sprouts served with flavored native vinegar. So, yan siya guys. Oh. Meron siyang tilapia. How to pronounce this one? Croquettes? I don't know how to pronounce that one. So, 258 also good for 3 to 4 persons. Then, meron din lumpia bangus, crispy calamari. So, screenshot nyo na lang guys in case you also want to visit here sa Tuburan 360 para at least you have idea na kung ano yung menu nila. So, meron din silang soup, mga main courses. Ayan. Soup and main courses nila. Then noodles and vegetables. Ayan siya. Meron silang mga dessert. Ayan na. Ayan. So ito yung prices nila. Then meron silang beverages. Shakes, smoothie, mocktails, cocktails. Ayan. And I think that's all. Yeah. So, baka yung orderin ko, as usual, pork barbecue. So, current situation, we're here. And our view. Pala, umulan pala guys. Hey besties, ayan. It's raining. May pagka-fog na siya. Ayan, it's raining. Look at it. Hey besties, ayan, food is here. Pero ito pa. We're waiting for others to arrive. Pork barbecue. Tapos, unsa na siya? Java rice? With Java rice. Pork barbecue with Java rice. And more food over there. Yay! More food. Wow, lumpia. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sabaw. Then, pang-i. Ayan. Wow. Hey besties, let's eat for lunch. I so love my food. Yeah. Wow. Diba? Let's eat, everyone. Yan. Hi.
Come here, baby.
You want to do smile. You want to do smile.
Thank you. Oh, muna taga exclusive. Oh, bitaw.
Next session ako.
Pwede.
Let's proceed to another agenda.
Wow. Madam Chair. Parang ang sarap ng lumpia nila. Lumpiang sariwa. I have here soup. Hey besties, we're done eating na. Tingnan niyo, aftermath. Aftermath. Bakit hindi after science? Char. Na, busog-busog na. What can you say with Tuburan 360?
Masarap ang food. Real food.
Masarap dyan, kinaboy ko na rin. We're so busog-busog na guys. And wala nang ulan. Parang wala lang nangyari, no? Very clear na. Ayan guys, we're done eating na. So, we will try to check sa rooms daw nila dito. Yung bagong rooms nila. I think ito eh. Ito pala guys, so room nila. Oh, ayan. I think ito. Yung mga rooms nila. Lakman guys. Hey besties, we're here at Skypa. Jar. Ayan guys, oh, yung mga rooms nila. Ayan. So nice. Pero wala pa daw silang pool as of the moment. Soon daw meron. Ayan, oh, I think meron pang rooms dito eh. Ayan. Nice. Ayan guys, look at our view. So dyan yung mga rooms, oh. Imagine meron kang bahay dito. Ayan, imagine na may bahay ka dyan. Ah, scary. Ayan, dito na kami sa cafe. You can also buy some cakes here. Tapos, meron din silang parang ganito guys. So, hand-picked and roasted with love. So, drip coffee. Meron din ganito. And look at our view guys. View ng coffee. Diba? Ayan o. You can also chill over there sa labas. Ayan. Ito yung mga menu nila. Ayan o. Hey besties, ayan. Tapos na kaming bumili. So we're waiting na lang para makuha namin yung coffee. So ang binili ko is matcha latte kasi I'm not into coffee na these days. Sure! Pero pinanindigan ko yun. Hey besties, ayan. Our coffee is here na pero i-take out lang namin kasi it's already 3:38 and medyo malayo pa yung tuburan going to our house. So baka magabihan kami. And guys, my coffee is here. No, not coffee, the matcha latte. Masarap. We're done na here sa Tuburan Cafe. Tuburan 360 to be exact. Tapos na kaming kumain, tapos na rin kaming bumili ng matcha latte sa akin. Sa kanila is parang mga Spanish latte at saka mga macchiato caramel. So, tingnan nyo yung view namin guys, oh. Diba? Ayan, oh. So nice. Like, if pupunta kayo dito guys, medyo ano lang talaga yung daan. Kasi sobrang haba or pataas ito. Yung Tagalog. Basta lugsungon kayo siya. Lugsungon, basta taas jud kayo siya. As in. Ayan o, yung view namin. Ayan o. Diba? Grabe. Sobrang overlooking. So, I guess I will end my video na here guys. Kasi uuwi na kami. And thank you so much for joining me sa aming quick staycation with my family dito sa Tuburan. So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!